We had this contract where we're supposed to install PPR pipe for the water heater connection because we had the PVC pipe well connected with the glue. With that, we were not in need of the electricity. But with the PPR, electricity was needed. Just watch the video and get the procedures as to how we were able to get everything fixed up. How to fix a PPR pipe in an area where there is no light or where there is no electricity for you to heat up your pipe with your PPR machine or your welding machine. This is how you can go by. You have to get to the site where you'll be fixing your PPR pipe. Take the dimensions of where you want to actually place your pipe. Then get a new place and fix it together. When you are done, you just go and hang it over the wall and clip it with some nails or use some mortar to join it on the wall. This is how I go by it when I get to areas without light or electricity. Take note that it was only about the water heater line, and the water heater was supplying just only the shower kit or the wall mixer. We didn't pass the hot water through the washing basin, so it was very portable to um, hang it over there. If you are interested in such videos, kindly click on the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you get all updates and new videos that I will be dropping here.